So to finish our initials animation, what I've done is to put each of the pieces into their own composition. So if you made these together, you can go up and click on composition and choose a new composition, and then copy and paste the layer that you might have into each composition that you want. So I've separated this. I have a circles composition, and that composition is the one where I did the rotating circles. I have a looping outline composition, and that has my letters. The way I have my letters set up is that it's going to start with the outline on the right hand side and gradually go to the left, and then the letters will reveal themselves the reverse way, and the letters themselves will come up from left to right. And then I have the sliding rectangles that we did. Each of these are in their own composition. The nice thing about that is you can then make a new composition where you put all these things together, and then you can transform them separately. So let's take a look at doing that. I'm going to call this final. And in here, I can bring in, so if I want to start with my sliding rectangles, I can bring that in, and it will play just within that layer. And if I bring in my looping outline, it will play. And I have that sort of timed out so it works, so it connects. However, if I wanted to slide this around, I could manage when that was going to start. So for example, if I want my sliding rectangles and then have those outlines be staggered, that I can do. And then finally I have my circles, and that's going to be my outro. So let's see where that sits. And it just plays right off the beginning, of which I don't want. I want that to come at the end. So I'm going to wait till this gets to completely full here, and then at about 8 seconds I want those circles to kind of bring me out. So I'm going to size these down. Let me just hit my period key to zoom in a little bit there. See what we're doing. So the rectangles come in. Each one of those letters is going to animate. And then I'm going to have the circles come in. So what I'd like to do here is actually at this point right before the circles, and have my letters start to fade out. So I can actually transform right in here, and I'll select a keyframe for opacity there, and as I come a couple seconds out, we'll bring that down. So we'll have that fade out as these come in. So the whole point is that each of these compositions can then be transformed as a group. And that's the plan on that. So you can play around with that. The whole idea of this project is to understand how to build these individual pieces and then bring them together into your final animation. So hope you have fun with that. Look forward to moving on to bigger and better things.